Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can install mods in Minecraft. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for CurseForge. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the official website and then navigate to the mods category. Once you are here, you can try sorting the mods to total downloads and select the preferred mod. After you have got the target mod, click on it to access it and then navigate to the files section. Here, you will need to remember the game version you are downloading and also make sure that the mod loader is Forge. Now just click on the three dots icon and select Download File. Once the mod file is downloaded, open up a new tab and search for Forge. Give it a go and then access the official Forge website. Now you can just select the Forge version from the left side pane, but make sure it is the same version as the mod. After selecting the version, click on this installer button and you will be redirected to a new web page. Here, wait for a few seconds and click on this skip button at top right corner. Now, the downloading will be started automatically. There is another software that you will need in order to install this mod. So open a new tab and search for Java. Access the Java website and download the software from there. Once downloaded, install it and then drag both mod and Forge file onto your desktop. Now open the Forge file and click on OK to install it. Once it is installed successfully, open the Minecraft launcher and select Forge from this menu. After that, run the game and you can see that Forge is running fine. Now click on this mods button, select Open Mods folder, and then paste the target mod from your desktop to this folder. Once done, click on the Done button and restart Minecraft. After restarting, go to the mods section and you can see that the mod has been installed successfully. So that's basically how you can install mods in Minecraft. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.